In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your iPad mini. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, and you're going to see a lot of different tabs. What you want to do is go into the general tab. Once you're in general, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see transfer or reset iPad. So go ahead and click on that. Then if you want to factory reset it, what you got to do is press erase all content and settings. Once you go ahead and click on that, it's going to be loading basically and getting everything set up. And then once it loads, it's going to basically show all the different things that are going to be reset from whenever you factory reset it. So everything you're going to lose, all the data, anything like that. What you could also do if you don't want to go ahead and factory reset it is press the reset button. Now you have options to reset all settings, reset network settings, subscriber services, and a bunch more. So you don't have to completely factory reset everything and make your iPad as good as new if you only want to reset something specific. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.